Welcome everyone, I'm John. Welcome to a new day in John's crypto channel. Now look what the market is doing at this point. This is bullish looking. This morning this was a bit different, but from now on it looks like we're heading back up. We had a monthly close and this was an undecided market. Let's take these drawings off for a second. We're still in a big channel, of course, that we've been in for quite a while now, at least 4 weeks. This was the monthly. Today we started our monthly opening and it looks like we will have some momentum upwards. Let's take our candlestick Bible for a second and take a look what this candle means. It's so important. That was not it. We do not have that one. But this one it is. It's a hammery petal candle. The mother and the smaller one. This is a bullish inside bar. And this is bullish. We have it right here. You can see these two candles here. How beautiful they are. Matching these signs. Let me read you guys what it means. The hammery pattern is considered a reversal in conditions patterns, and it consists of two candles. The first candle is the large candle and it's called the mother candle, followed by a smaller candle which is called the baby candle. For the hammery pattern to be valid, the second candle should close outside the previous one. This candle is considered a bearish reversal signal when it occurs on the top of an uptrend, and is a bullish signal when it occurs on the bottom of a downtrend. And this is a bottom of a downtrend. We already stopped here, the previous one, so it exactly stopped on the bottom, and you can even put this one closer if you want to. Let me take this one and set it straight on these candles, and you can see it matches it perfectly. So that means that we had a reversal and we should go long here. We will have a nice long position going upwards. We will have to be a bit patient, but still it looks that we are going bullish from now on. That's very nice, because I would love to see us hit these pre-year high levels. Like 27,000 would be nice for a Bitcoin at this point, and that means that we have a lot of potential for a lot of coins to be bullish at this sign. Of course, we also have this top here, 25,000, that we have two more that we could stop. You can see we had no stops here at all, so that means that we can straight away go through and hit the 28 by the end of the month. So that would be a nice entry indication where we should stop for the next in the monthly. Now let's take a look at the weekly for Bitcoin. I make it simple for everyone that you can just do it by yourself. These are the most easiest ways to follow the market, and the market does exactly like we predict, of course. For the weekly, we can see that we are hitting a level of support, and that's here, that we are now at it at this point. We went straight through it here, so this is not such a strong support. That means because we broke one time through it, this support here is much stronger to be breaking. Now this looks good, because if we can break through this support, that means that we will be heading up to the next part, and that's 26 and a bit. But that was half support, 27, and then we are continuously going upwards. What means that we could have a nicely gaining potential. This morning it looked a bit bearish, but it had started to change already. I thought this was going to change only by the second or the third day in the week, because normally it does this. Normally we only go in by the third week, the third day, before anything changes. But for today, it seems that we already are going upwards. Let me take a daily chart. Did we close the 5 days? No, the 10 days. Not either. Okay, let's take a 2. Let's take a daily and take a look what the daily said. For me, the dailies are quite bearish, I must say. I cannot say that this looks very bullish to me at all, because 1 doji, 2 dojis, and especially because these are hammering patterns, and these are, if we have this sign, shooting star, a bearish pin bar, and that's what we had here. Oh, 2 times wrong. Here, that we have twice a bearish pin bar. If we take a look here, you can see the bearish pin bar on an uptrend and on a support level. That means that the market could change direction. We have seen it before, we have seen it here before. You can see it quite a lot before the market changes, and we have 2 here after a road. So for me, this was really looking like a bearish candle. Maybe this was just now a diversion that we're going upwards, and then we can maybe continue going downwards. We're a bit patient at this point. I'm not quite sure yet what the market will do, because this one is just a hanging candle waiting to, or continues to go upwards and break through this small support, or we are going to the other side again and we will be hitting 21k. For me, and the weekly and the monthly, we look bullish. So if we have a bit more patience, this is a nice bullish sign, because it's a very big candle with a very small one in compares to this one, at least. Yeah, this one is much smaller, of course, but I'm comparing before the candle before, this one looks beautiful, that we are continuously going upwards. The weekly sets the same, because we have no stops, no dojis, no nothing. So this is continuously bullish candle, an undecided candle is this one. So that means at a support level it could change direction, but it's not small enough to be a doji to make sure that it is changing direction. So this one says we are going upwards at this point. No, it looks quite good. For me, it's a go for the next stop, 27,000. Ethereum. Let's take a look at the monthly for Ethereum. Ethereum took quite some momentum already. Like you can see, it dropped significantly, but it gained up momentum. Quite huge, I must say. This was a gaining last month of 64%, 74%, excuse me. And this one is looking very bearish at this point, because this was way too much momentum in 1 month to sustain, of course. So I think previous lows around 1200 that he will hit again, 3/4 on along, that we have a doji looking downwards, and then we could still be going up, but I don't think we have much momentum left to go upwards. If we should go up any further, maybe 1900 is the max at this point. We broke this support also, the small support that we were going upwards. From the daily, you can see that. Let me take a look first at the weekly, what the weekly says. What do we have on the weekly? On the weekly we still have a beautiful sign. It looks quite okay. This is a bullish sign at this point. We do not have a stop at this level here. Do we have another side? Okay, we have a bit of support here. Yeah, it can go both ways, but I would be careful with Ethereum at this point. I think you have much more chance on all other altcoins at this point than on Ethereum. Be sure what we are doing. and make sure that you are picking the right ones to make a good decision, of course. It's a small one for today. I have an appointment in just 20 minutes from now, so I'll be leaving you guys again. I hope you had a small review about Bitcoin at this point, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back tomorrow with more information and be able to give you this evening if I have the chance. Be well, enjoy, and be blessed. See you all in the next one. Ciao.